In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a redstone torch flicker. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to make a redstone torch flicker quickly or how to repeatedly make it flicker. So if all you want is a quick flicker, the most convenient way is to use a button. As long as you place a button on a block that has the redstone torch attached to it, every single time that you press that button, every single redstone torch will flicker between the off or on state. Now, if you want this to repeatedly happen, then you will have to do some more setup. So if you want to make it flicker repeatedly, what you will notice is that if you do a setup like this that has two repeaters essentially doing a loop, the redstone torch is actually gonna blow itself out. So when I connect it like this, first nothing will happen. If we set the delay to 2 on both of these, it will start flickering, but then it just goes out. So this is an intentional mechanic. This makes it so you have to set the repeater to the third or fourth stage. If you do it like this, then the redstone torch will flicker, as you can clearly notice, and it won't burn out like the previous solution that I showed. So you have to set two repeaters on a loop and put them in the third or fourth stage. If it is set to the first or second, then the redstone torch will either not flicker or blow itself out. You can also do it through this method. So you place a block with a redstone torch, you place a repeater, you have to set it to the third or fourth stage, and then you bring it around. And by doing this, the redstone torch should also flicker. However, if you take this redstone torch away, it will stop flickering. So keep that in mind. So this redstone torch needs to stay for this specific configuration. Alternatively, you can make a loop like this one. So you make the loop. I'm gonna stop this one to demonstrate. So once you have two redstone dust, a repeater facing this direction on the third stage, two redstone dust and another one here, you power it on, and then you quickly replace the redstone dust. Now bring it to a block that has torches. I hope I was able to help you on how to make redstone torch flicker. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.